Hey everyone, what is going on? I am back with another 1920 NBA Hoops full retail box. This is going to be the second box break on my channel, and in the first one you can go back and look. I will add some cards in the video, and it was a pretty good box break. Nothing crazy, but pretty much this retail box gives you a ton of cards, 24 packs per box, 8 cards per pack. Pretty much gives you all the rookies you're looking for. I did pull 2 Zions out of that box, just regular rookie cards. One of them was an insert. Then John Morant rookie, RJ Barrett rookie, a couple Hachimuras, Kobe White, you name it. Pretty much came out of a retail box. Now, the first retail box gave me a couple serial numbers. I did pull a number to 15. That was kind of cool. And a LeBron purple. And then you get your 1 autograph per box as well. So I'm going to get right into this because these boxes take a pretty good amount of time to open. But as always, be sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe for more awesome content. I'm going to open these things right here. And I'm going to get directly underway. Like I said, 24 packs per box, 8 cards. You do the math on that, but that's a lot of cards to get through, so I'm not going to waste any time here. So we have our first pack. I'm going to kind of skim through these things as much as possible. What doesn't help is you got to turn these things all upside down because they're all over the place. Miles Bridges, frequent flyers. So these cards are not put in the packs as well, I guess, whatever the machine does, but a lot of flipping, a lot of turning over, a lot of reading names backwards, that sort of thing. So bear with me on these retail videos like this, because they get kind of crazy. Arriving now, Kobe White. It's a pretty good card. Really looking for his top rookies from these retail boxes. The explosion cards, and then the purples. Don Boya rookie. Kennard. Get out the way, Donovan Mitchell. I'm learning on these hoops cards too. I only really opened in hobby boxes before the retail box that I opened in my first video. Kevon Looney. Lights, camera, action, Giannis Antetokounmpo. He's heating up a lot. His cards are starting to skyrocket. Morris Wagner. Justin James. I don't see his stuff a lot. There's a holo. Get out the way. Diallo. Siakam, Fournier. Schofield, he's getting a lot more playing time recently. Irving tributes. Lauri Markkanen. A lot of people say Lowry Markkanen. I don't know which one it is. Kyrie Irving. Okiki rookie. DeMar Carroll. Hayward. PJ Washington arriving now. Another Giannis. Cool card of his. Dwayne Wade. So many flips. Sabonis. Frequent flyers, Paul George. Whiteside. Thomas. Looks like our autograph is going to be towards the end again, maybe. Still got a long ways to go, though. Jarrett Culver, rookie. Jaren Jackson. Get out the way, Giannis. A lot of great Giannis cards so far in this box. RJ Barrett. Move that one aside. Lucas, second year. Jabari Parker, this is going to be a serial or maybe purple. It's a red, number to 15. So back-to-back boxes that I've opened on these retail boxes, I've received a red explosion number to 15. I cannot argue with that. That's pretty cool. And you have Isaac and Jeff Green. 15. And I like how it's 15. It's not like 19 or some odd number that's off. 15 is a nice, solid number. You don't see a lot of just serial number to 15s. Kobe. Tatum. There's our purple Kevin Porter Jr. This is a rookie. Oops. DeAndre Ayton and Noel. So used to flipping cards. Now I'm trying to flip cards that are already turned the right way. Another PJ Washington rookie. Batum. Lights, camera, action, Bradley Beal. Bagley. Jackson Hayes. Another purple, Andrew Wiggins. Do get your fair amount of purples in these retail boxes. I got like 4 in the first one. Well on my way to getting about the same amount in this one. Nicholas Claxton. Don't see a lot of his rookies either. DeAndre Hunter. D'Angelo Russell. Here comes another serial numbered. Daniel Gafford, number to 49. It's a blue. Romeo Langford. Looks cool coming up. Oh, lights, camera, action. It's a Trae Young holo. It's really neat. These holos are nice. Chris Paul. Marcus Smart. Frequent flyers of Giannis again. This is the Giannis box. It's like the 4th Giannis card. He's usually kind of a tough pull. It's just like LeBron or Steph Curry. Damian Lillard. Cody Martin. Wesley Matthews. Grabbing now Tyler Hero. That's the first Tyler Hero. It's a nice card though. Alright, moving right along, chasing that autograph. Let's see what else is in here. Carson Edwards rookie card. Shaq. James Harden. Lights, camera, action of Donovan Mitchell. DeAndre Hunter. It's a nice looking rookie card there from the Tribute. Oh, and that's a nice Zion, class of 2019. It's a really nice Zion card. I'll put that aside all the way over there. First Zion card of this box. Now we just really need John Morant to finish this thing off. Of all the other top rookies. Oh, another Zion. So we got a Zion rookie and back-to-back packs. That's pretty good. Sometimes how it goes once you start hitting them. Start finding them all. Aaron Gordon, get out the way. Getting down towards the end here. Simonic. It's another holo, class of 2019, Romeo Langford. It's a cool holo there. Autograph's got to be somewhere here. Kobe White rookie. I'm holding all the Kobe Whites. I like him. Oh, Rui Hachimura. Class of 2019. Ariza, Tyler Johnson. Let's see, there's only 2 packs left. It's like this in all the retail boxes. Let's move this box all the way aside, get it out of the picture. There we go. Jordan Poole. This is, I think, the autograph right here. And autograph is going to be from the Bulls, Thaddeus Young. Great significance. I don't know why it's gold. I guess it's supposed to be like that. There is a serial number there. I guess that's why. That is a very hard serial number to see. I don't know if you can see that on camera. It looks like it's out of 10, yes. Gold auto number to 10. That is the one problem I have with hoops. They hide those serial numbers pretty bad. It's a great hit from a retail box. Huh. Move that one aside. Pretty cool. Dennis Smith, purple. Try to finish this box up real quick. Gold auto. Not bad. Bull. John Morant. Finally hit our John Morant in this box. Tyler Hero. Following him. Got some good rookies here. Purple Miles Turner. And last 2 cards of the retail break. And that will finish it up. So the gold auto was really the hit of this. There's a couple of Zions in this, which is pretty cool. And John Morant, other cool cards as well. Tons of Giannis, but number to 10, that's a great, I mean, a number to 10 auto out of retail box. Then you put the explosion number to 15. I mean, that's some great stuff. That's hobby stuff right there. So overall, that was a great box break. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And that was my second box break on retail. I don't know if I'll open any more. I guess it depends on the price. But overall, pretty good. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.